And sweet potatoes are still growing strong. I believe I said this was December 8th, 2017. Once in a while I've been seeing flowers pop up. Oop, and I saw a bee just came out of that one flower. So those are getting pollinated. I'm looking around hoping to see something that might look like a seed pod so that I can save some seeds from these guys. So far I haven't found anything that looks suspicious, but these guys are still growing, so I'm gonna keep letting them grow. Eventually I'll dig this bed up and see if I find any potatoes under it. Okay, let's see if we can get some sweet potatoes dug here. Started to dig them a few minutes ago, and then it started raining. So far I've found these three popped up. Something's been chewing on that one. But that's what I've dug up so far. Let's see what more I can find. Now, to be honest, I do not expect to find much. Little tiny ones probably. And sticks. And nails. And little tiny sweet potatoes. A little bit bigger sweet potatoes. And you consider that everything I do is an experiment. It's hard to go wrong. More. Not too bad. And it's starting to sprinkle again. See if we can get any more of this on before I have to put the camera away. And it looks like that's about it. Not much. A couple of small ones that might be worth eating. Most of those are going to wind up being slips for next year. So that's where we're at.